Hello buddies, I'm Nonit and today we will talk about the weekly facts, whatever is the facts in the last week. So the first fact is the according to the Department of Empowerment of Person with Disability under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment received 26,047 calls by Kiran helpline number toll free number, that is the toll free number for mental health from September 16 2020 to April 13 22. Main thing, this is an increase in the Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Haryana. The second fact is the government appointed a committee to reform the British era Indian Penal Code and said to define the hate speech. What is hate speech? As you know, hate speech is very frequently in the news and there is no particular definition about the hate speech. Although recently the Bureau of Police Research and Development defined hate speech, and in this the Law Commission headed by the former Lok Sabha T.K. Biswanath in 2018 asked for stricter laws on hate speech. Third fact is CBI Director Maharashtra IPS officer former CDP Subodh Kumar Jaiswal appointed as a CBI director, in which what happened, there is a new rule applied by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court N.V. Ramana. That is the rule that those officers who have less than 6-month tenure for any officer should not be appointed as a GDP or CBI director. What is the base of this rule application? This has happened in the Prashant Singh case 2006, which is related to the police reform, and also in 2019 Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi said this statement. Fourth one, related to the deputation of Chief Secretary of West Bengal. As you know, there is a conflict between the West Bengal and the central government because of the deputation of the Chief Secretary. So what happened, the cabinet has appointed the placement of service under the Indian Administrative Cadre Rule 1954 and applied this Rule 6 Clause 1. So what Rule 6 Clause 1 says, that the cadre officer with the concurrence of a state government concerned, that officers be deputed under the central government or other state. Although applied this rule without the concurrence of the state government, which is Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and that's why there is a conflict between the central and the state government. And fifth fact is the Bangladesh clears the currency swap for Sri Lanka amount $200 million. So it is first time the Bangladesh has done and become the first South Asian nation to do so. Another is very important fact related to the economy, that is related to the foreign direct investment crossed $81 billion this year in fiscal 2020, said by the Commerce Ministry, and equity investment rose by 19%. So which country invested largest amount? That is the Singapore largest FDI investor, and it consists of almost one third amount, followed by the US 23%, followed by the Mauritius 9%. What is the which one of the following state is the top FDI destination? Gujarat. It consists of 37% of FDI which came in the country, followed by the Maharashtra 27% and Karnataka 13%, and rest is 21%. So where this FDI investment went, the 44% went to the computer and software, which topped the investment, followed by the construction 13%, followed by the service sector 8%. Another fact, the IT professional demand double in 14 months. You can say this since lockdown. This has been taken from the India Staffing Federation report. Another is related to the RBI balance sheet, which is reflection of currency and functioning of monetary policy. And this RBI balance sheet grew by the 7% due to increase in the domestic and foreign investment. Although income decreased by 10.96, almost 11%, and expenditure decreased by the 63%, and overall surplus for this year is the 99,122 crore, more than the previous year. As you know, in Friday, the RBI notified that RBI will transfer the surplus amount and amount 9,122 crore to the government Under which section? Under section 47, allocation of surplus profit, RBI Act 1934, the excess of income over the expenditure to the government, while maintaining the contingency fund buffer 5.5%, which is recommended by the Bimal Jalan Committee. In 2019 and 2020, there is a 57,128 crore transfer by RBI to the government, and in 2018-19 the highest 1.75 lakh crore. Another is very important is that is the related to the children. 9,543 children were missing in January-July 2020, in which the 75% are girls, and highest missing in the Madhya Pradesh 5,446, followed by the Delhi 1,828, Rajasthan 1,016, and this has been taken from the CRY, that is the Child Rights and Youth for RTI filed by this CRY NGO. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video and please subscribe my channel to get more such videos.